My name is Patrick Davis, and I'm a faculty member in the College of Pharmacy. And the signature course that I am teaching is Really Bad Bugs, 12 Diseases That Change the World. So the way that this course is structured is each week we are addressing a different chapter, a different disease. And on Tuesdays, we exchange the papers. And there is a standard rubric that they are using for peer evaluation. There are no points associated with this. When you have a rubric with points, everybody's a 10. You know, I'll give you a 10 if you give me a 10 and so forth, and that does nobody any good. Now, having said that, I did leave out one thing, and that is you also get 10 points based on the quality of your peer review. But in terms of what they're communicating to the writer, it is purely collegial. There's no points involved. They feel free to say genuinely anything that will help improve the paper. Then there's about 10 minutes that the student can take to do any editing on the fly that they want, because we're randomly drawing 4 individuals to stand up in front of the class and read their paper that day. Then over the balance of the weekend and so forth, you rewrite your paper into its final form. That then is turned into me, and that is the final grading of the paper. I use exactly the same rubric, only now there's points associated with the various dimensions on the rubric. So I'm not having them peer evaluate on one set of criteria and then I'm using something entirely different. Overall, I think everyone has improved in their writing.